Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Google Home app and set up routines, detailed guide step by step clearly. To download the Google Home app, start by unlocking your smartphone. Open the App Store if you're using an iPhone. If you're on an Android device, open the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Google Home. Press the search button. From the search results, find the Google Home app. Tap on the app icon to open the details page. For iPhones, tap the Get button to download. For Android devices, tap Install. Wait for the app to download and install. Once the installation is complete, open the Google Home app. You may need to sign in with your Google account. After signing in, follow the on-screen prompts to set up your home. Make sure your smart devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Tap that Add icon in the top left corner of the screen. Select Set Up Device from the options. Choose New Devices to begin the setup process. Follow the instructions to connect each device to the Google Home app. After setting up your devices, you can create routines. To create a new routine, tap on the Routines option in the settings. Tap the plus icon to start a new routine. Select a trigger for your routine, such as a specific time or a voice command. Next, choose the actions you want the routine to perform. You can add multiple actions like turning on lights or playing music. Once you have customized the routine to your liking, tap Save. Your routine is now set up and ready to use. You can later edit or delete routines as needed from the same menu. Explore more features within the Google Home app for additional customization. Enjoy your new smart home experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.